Hi friends, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, give a like and share it with your friends. Today we are going to travel from Yeshwanthpur to Subramania Ghat Road and we are traveling using the Vistadome coach. Welcome. Glass roofed Vistadome tourist trains. Indian Railways. Indian Railway introduced Vistadome trains to promote tourism through the railway. These trains help to connect different tourist destinations across the country. The modern features of these trains are meant to give comfort and easiness to travelers. The first of its kind service in South India, Vistadome coaches is being introduced by the Ministry of Railways to promote tourism. The two tri-weekly and one weekly day train services between Bengaluru and Mangaluru transverse through the enchanting Western Ghats via the Sakleshpur Subramania Road Ghat section. The scenic section offers breathtaking glimpse of lofty mountains, ravishing valleys, deep gorges, lush greenery, streams, rivers, and tunnels of Western Ghats. The region blooms in the monsoon with the added beauty. Vistadome coaches are manufactured by Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, on the LHP platform or technology. This is the Sakleshpur railway station where your paradise on earth will start. The subtropical climate and the heavy rain creates enchanting environment for the nature lovers. Sakleshpur to Kukke Subramania train journey about a 55-kilometer stretch dotted by about 50 to 60 tunnels, 100 bridges and more than 25 waterfalls, also known as a green roads. Travel in a day train to enjoy the beautiful ride. Enjoy the ride. Thank you. Let me share the overview of Sakleshpur, situated in the Hassan district of Karnataka. Sakleshpur is a quaint hill station that boasts a scenic environment, pleasant climate, and a lofty green hills that is full of cardamom, coffee, pepper, and areca plantations. It is a spectacular town tucked away in the Western Ghats on the Bangalore Highway, situated at an average elevation of 949 meters. This beautiful holiday destination is very popular for its fascinating mountains, scenic beauty, and pleasant weather as well. It offers a reversing gateway from the busy city life. Besides, trekking to Busy Lake, Reserve Forest, Trail, and Kumara Parvata are also the best way to explore the rich biodiversity of the place. Adventure activity. You can make your trip all the more adventurous in Sakleshpur by getting indulged in the Green Route trek on the railway tracks to the Subramania Road station, which is around 56 km, stretching from Sakleshpur to Kukke Subramania, and speckled by 58 tunnels, 109 bridges, and 25 waterfalls. Apart from these, Agni Gudda is a perfect spot for trekking, picnics, and outdoor camping. One can get a gratifying experience by viewing the surrounding rice terrace from here. Other trekking areas in Sakleshpur are Bisile Ghat or Bisile Reserve Forest and Kumara Parvata, which is the most challenging hike for the trekkers. Train journey from Bangalore to Subramania Ghat Road. It will be a wonderful experience of your life. The train leaves from Yeshwanthpur at 7:10 am on every alternate days, and you can also check that one in the railway website. The train passes through many places like Sakleshpur, and there are so many stations between you reach the Subramania Ghat Road. But after Sakleshpur is the most amazing part of the journey. The segment on the railway track from Sakleshpura to Kukke Subramania Road station is unique because of the dense green forest in which it is situated. The stretch of the track with length about 52 km has around so many tunnels and bridges with length varying from few meters to 0.75 kilometers and the height varying from few meters to so many meters. It is an engineering marvel and hard to imagine how they have managed to lay the railway track in such an environment. It is the green route often called the trekker's paradise. This is one of the most picturesque route in the Western Ghats of Karnataka. Not only bridges and tunnels, but we can also see a number of waterfalls on either side, especially when we travel in the months of July, August, September. If you're lucky, you can get a splash of water from those falls. The clouds that are trapped between the mountains, tall trees, mountains, flowers, etc. is a treat for a nature lovers. So friends, please plan a trip with your family or friends and enjoy the unique journey. Happy journey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends.